Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to go through our summer vacation plan. So first of all we're going to create a new tutorial, game development, because we already finished our app development tutorial and our exams. So we're going to start a new tutorial game development because we already finished app development and web development. So game development is the most reasonable choice to go with. So why did I choose Unity? I'm going to choose Unity. And why did I choose Unity over many others? So I chose Unity over Godot and Unreal Engines because Unity has 2D, 3D games. It also is the most powerful and it's the most commonly used game development software. So after that, I'm going to start this tutorial now. After this video, there's going to be a new video coming out about Unity. So after that, the next point is we're going to create iBook tutorials because most of you guys requested me to create iBook tutorials. So we're going to create an iBook tutorial. After this video also we're going to create a poll so you guys can tell me whether you want it to be web development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or you want it to be a mobile apps with Kivy, or a newer version, 2021 version of Python. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to smash that bell notification button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So that's it for this one.